Now final step is to install this my clamp back, and I have to rotate that, and I take 10mm socket and carefully. Okay, and now I made mistake. This my part opens from in here. Interesting. Okay, good to see. Let's go to look closer. Okay, and now there really happens installation error, and we have to fix that so that I now reverse my bolt in here. Okay, good. And then these parts. Okay, this is I have to get this stuff. Now they are in wrong position and I need pliers. And check also that in your cars that you don't do similar mistake. And now I need these sharp head pliers, and I have to move these that down bolt in position like in that one. Now I managed to take that away, and now I think that in okay, that now it's in position. This is the right way. Okay, check that in your, and then I have to install this my clamp in central area, and I use my pliers. Okay, now it's in right position. This was interesting error, and check that you have also this your bolt in this position. And now I especially that area, and now I rotate that carefully. Maybe I was too fast, but good lesson to learn. And now I press that, and I do that again. Okay, and now it is nicely. And final force, I use my hand